Hey guys, welcome back, and today I am sharing a new recipe, that is Shahi Paneer recipe. This is everyone's favorite. If you are paneer lover, then this is the best option. So for this I am taking here 1 cup of milk, 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd, and paste of onion, garlic, ginger, chili, that is green chili, and cashew nuts. 10 to 15 cashew nuts I have used here, and puree of 2 tomatoes. 3 to 5 cloves I am using here, and 2 bay leaves, and a elaichi, and this cinnamon. After that I am using here cumin seeds. For spices I am using here red chili powder, garam masala, salt, and Shahi Paneer masala. So yeah, these are the ingredients, and yes, the paneer. Now take a pan or kadhai and take a oil in it. You can use mustard oil or refined oil. So I am using here refined oil, and this I am using all dry spices here. Give it time to crackle. And just after that, take that puree, the onion, garlic, ginger, chili, and cashew nut puree, and saute it well till the oil comes up. Now this is the texture. Now just after that I am using all the spices here. This stage I have used tomato puree, and curd also. Now our masala is ready, and just taking paneer cubes into it and mix it well with the masala so that the flavor of masala seeped into the paneer, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see the texture. At this stage I am going to use milk. Milk is the main ingredient of Shahi Paneer, because as this is Shahi Paneer, so we have to use every Shahi things like cashew nuts, milk. So milk is the main ingredient. and you can add some water into it if you want more gravy. So yeah, this is the recipe. If you like the recipe, please press the thumbs up button and comment below. So our Shahi Paneer is ready and it is ready to serve. You can have it with chapati or rice. So this is the final look, and serve it hot. So if you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel and I'll be back with a new video. So till then, bye bye.